Hi folks, my name is Patrick Stewart. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll teach you how to make a white outline thumbnail for free. First, you want to make sure that you have a photo with a plain background. You don't need a green screen. We're doing this for free. Just find a plain background. It'll make it easier. Once you have that photo, we're going to utilize a free app. You do not have to pay for this. It is free. You're going to go into PICSART. Once there, you will find a 3-second commercial. Wait for it to play. Click on the X. Then you are going to want to click on the plus sign at the bottom to add a photo. You're going to pick the photo that we've already looked at with the plain background. Once you have that photo uploaded into PICSART, you're going to want to look at the bottom options of the screen. You'll see me cycling through. You want to click on Cutout, the scissors icon. Once you click on Cutout, you'll want to click Person. At this point, PICSART will do the work for you. Once it has cut out the person, you will see a red outline. Click on Preview, and you will see what the picture looks like. Now, there are a lot of different ways to zoom in and clean this image up, but since we're putting an outline around it anyway, I'm not going to do that in this video. See my previous video to learn how to do that. Go ahead and save the image. Now we have our cutout to use. I'm going back into PICSART again, but this time I want to pick a new background. Once into PICSART, you know what to do. Add a photo. I'm going to add a background that I've already found, one from Star Wars that has a picture of the Millennium Falcon. Once you have the photo you wish to use, it's important to keep in mind that you will need to size this photo for YouTube. So click on Tools. And once you click on Tools, you're going to click on the Crop button. At the bottom of the screen, you'll cycle through until you find YouTube. Very simple, very easy. It crops it to a YouTube size. Now, we want to add our cutout image. So scroll over until you see Add Photo. Select the photo that we have already cut out and lay that on top of the background image. It'll take a second to play around with it, size it to your preferences, figure out where you want to put it in the picture. For right now, we'll just stick it somewhere in the middle for our training purposes. Blow it up just a little bit. Now, to get the outline, you go to the bottom of the screen and select Border. Very easy. It does this for you. Select white and change it to about 10 on thickness. You don't want it too thick, but you don't want it too thin. And there you have it, folks. It doesn't get easier than that, and it's completely free. Make sure you save that image so that you can use it to enter your text for your thumbnail. Now, once the image is saved, we need to go to another free application called Phonto. In the Phonto app, it allows you to add text to an image you've already created. So we're going to upload that image we've created. And once uploaded, we may want to play with the settings and color. I usually like to click on Chrome just because it makes it pop a little bit brighter. You go with whatever you like. There's several options there. You can leave it normal, you can leave it faded. I tend to want it brighter. It's more eye-catching. Once we've selected that, we need to go ahead and start adding text. Just click anywhere on the picture and add text. Now, in a previous tutorial, I actually talked more in depth about how to add text and space it out. For this tutorial, we're just going to add some simple text, align center, click Done, and put it where we'd like to in the picture. Then you're going to click on Style, add a background, select a gray background, and change the alpha to about 40. This way your text has something to lay on and doesn't get lost in the picture. Then click on Style again. Change your text color to something bright like yellow. And there you have it, folks. Very easy, very simple, and completely free. Save the image. And when you go to your camera roll, you'll see that you have a completely free image that you can upload to YouTube as your thumbnail icon for whatever video you wish to use. Thank you for tuning in. My name's Patrick Stewart. Remember, the content's free.